are two brothers and a sister. I'm Haley.
I'm Jet. I'm Gage.
I'm 12.
I'm 10. I'm 8.
And we do traveling, vlogging, and gaming. And today we're going to be opening the Super Magical Chest. And we are sorry that we cannot do a live stream tonight. We are tired, but I am hyped through the roof.
And so, let's get high
Through the roof!
Wish us luck on what we get from this super magical chest, because there's a lot of
Super
possibilities.
Magical Chest!
There's so many possibilities what we can get.
We're going to open the chest! 1, 2, 3, done!
That is all. Okay, so we can now upgrade our Okay guys, so here's what we got. A lot. So, let's start from the top. Upgrading the mirror. For decades so far, it's only been 2 days and we already have all this stuff.
24 hours.
So, you can see Sparky. Sparky. It's just
Oh, it's just like a little thing that goes
it's a legendary. It doesn't go to the ground as much as this stuff. It
No,
rolls
it looks like
and
one of those
moves.
things, like in the movies that would go in the ground.
Its damage per second is 260 damage per second. It doesn't it move like a barrel and then like a cannon? Slow. And then its area damage is 1,000. It's like it's their weak top.
Well, that is it for tonight. Very sorry that we could not live stream. We are just super tired. Well, maybe they are, but I am very hyped. And remember to get hyped through the roof. Just don't break the roof. But we will see you guys another day. And stay tuned for more stuff coming soon. Clash Royale, Castle Clash.